right, so first off, congratulations. You took my amazing offer. That's epic. The offer's epic. I know you're gonna love it. I literally put so much value in it. Literally, I put stuff in there that people are paying literally $1,000 a month for. That's actually inside that offer. But look, before you go, check out all the good stuff that I actually just gave you. I wanna actually give you an amazing opportunity, another epic, insane offer that's actually super highly discounted for my members to help you make all your money back. Instead of having you spend more money, I want to actually do something that will help you make more money. I'm talking about helping you make recurring revenue, residual revenue that come in every single month so that you yourself can kind of do like what you see us doing here, living life on your own terms and enjoying yourself. And while you're doing whatever it is that you're doing, also make money. As you can see in our development firm, we're a fun-loving company. We love to have fun, but no matter what we're doing, we're making money. So literally everybody in here could be playing, they could be playing on the PlayStation over there, or actually these guys are, I'll show you what they're doing. These guys and girls, they're hovering around. They're hovering around, and while they're doing that, all right, so while people are actually having fun, we're still making money. Now, how are we able to do that? It's simple, recurring revenue, residual revenue. Just like you most likely signed up for a monthly or yearly subscription that you're gonna pay every year or you're gonna pay every month, odds are, okay, so there's a small percent chance, there's like a 4% chance that you're gonna decide to cancel, maybe like a 7% chance that you're gonna decide to cancel, but this major statistic says that you're going to continue to pay month after month and year after year for the software products we just gave you because they're very valuable and they help you grow your business and they help you save time and they help you make more money. And because of this continuity, because of this recurring revenue, we're able to live the life that we want. And even when we're playing, even when we're having fun, we're still making money. So I want to give you that opportunity to help you build up your recurring revenue as well. I want to give you the opportunity to actually help you build monthly residual recurring revenue where people are paying you not for your time, where you're not having to actually sell your time for money, but people are paying you literally just for a username and password on amazing software that helps them grow their business, it helps them make more money, and more importantly, it gives them back a large chunk of their time so they can spend their time doing the stuff that they enjoy doing, all right? And people will pay you just like you're paying me. People will pay you a monthly fee, and you don't have to have a 15,000 square foot office. You don't have to have, you don't have to have over 50 full-time employees that are constantly building new software, updating software, doing customer support. You don't actually have to have any of that because we actually provide all that for you. All right. Now, just before I gave you an offer that you actually signed up for, and I included a bunch of lead magnets and front-end products so that you can get leads for your business and you can get buyers for your business. So I included a whole bunch of lead magnets and I gave you unlimited accounts on them so that you could collect leads and get a constant stream of leads by providing them high value software that they're literally going to use every single day. And I provided you other products that you can use as low ticket front end offers to get somebody to go ahead and convert into a buyer. And now I want to give you an amazing opportunity. And this is something that you'll see that I actually charge, and people actually pay me $10,000 a year for exactly what I'm going to give you here in this actual offer that will allow you to actually build up your own recurring revenue streams. Now, I want you to think first. How much money do you have coming in on autopilot every single month right now? How many people are subscribed to a subscription where every month they're going to pay you money? How many people do you have like that? Do you have one person, 10 person, 100 person? Odds are you probably have zero, right? Odds are you probably actually have 0 people that are paying you money every single month, where you know, hey, I have $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 or $10,000 every single month on recurring revenue, where people are going to just pay their membership fee to me, their monthly subscription to me, and I don't have to sell them any of my time. So just think, how many people do you have like that? If you already have people like that, great. If you already have people like that, great, because this offer will help you supercharge that and help you explode that and help you get more and more people to pay you more and more money every single month. But if you're like the average person and you don't have anybody, if you're like the average person and you still don't have anybody that is actually paying you a monthly fee every single month, without you having to actually sell them your time, where you're able to just roam around, enjoy yourself, run into walls, have fun, and still actually get paid and still make money, then let me help you. You can see what we've built for ourselves through this model. The SaaS software model is literally a $10 billion a year industry. Okay, it's a $10 billion a year industry. I know you're paying a monthly fee for software because you just bought it from me. And odds are you're not just paying me, you're paying many other people. Literally every single business, almost every single entrepreneur in the entire world pays for software. And they could be paying you. So if you don't have anybody that's actually paying you money right now, every single month, without you having to give them a second of your time, a minute of your time, because they're just paying you for a username and password that you don't even actually have to build. You don't even have to actually support, because we, our entire company, we do all that for you. So if you don't have that, then I want you to pay attention to what's actually included in this offer, because I know it can change your life. How do I know that? Because literally we have so many other partners just like you that want to build up recurring revenue. They want to live a better life. They want to have more time, more freedom, and more money that are in our program that are being helped like crazy, that are building up full-time incomes, literally replacing full-time incomes without having to sell their time for money. And I want to help you do the exact same thing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and have a seat here at my computer, and I'm gonna go over everything that is in this offer, everything that's included, what you can expect to get, and why you shouldn't hesitate and why you should sign up right now. All right, so let me go ahead and show you exactly what you're gonna get when you partner with us and when you take this offer right now. First off, you're going to get to partner with a real established multi-million-dollar SaaS software firm. So you've seen me walking around our 15,000 square foot office. We're a 6-plus-year-old company about to turn 7 years old. We have more than 50 full-time salaried staff in our office to help you, to support our software, to build additional features, and to even actually build more software for you. All right? You're gonna get the ability to actually create a very similar offer and craft a very similar offer to what you actually just went through. Now that's going to allow you to actually build recurring revenue. So I'm literally going to give you pretty much virtually everything that you need to build this exact same offer or a similar offer so that you can actually build recurring revenue. So you'll be able to start to build up recurring revenue where people are paying you, just like you just paid me, monthly or yearly fees just to access software. All right. So we're going to allow you to essentially add Go High Level sub accounts on our white label. So just before here, you bought an offer for a monthly fee or a yearly fee, and we gave you a Go High Level account on our Go High Level white label. So we're going to allow you to add your own customers on our Go High Level white label and create your own sub accounts on our Go High Level white label so that you can sell those to your customers as well, and they can actually pay you for that. We're also going to give you tier 5 agency accounts. So we already gave you, I'm going to explain this in a little bit more depth in just a second. we already gave you a minute ago, whenever you signed up for the monthly or yearly offer that you took in order to get to this page, we already gave you a package of our lead magnets and our front end offers so that you can actually collect leads and you can get buyers and get people to go ahead and pay you money and become a buyer. But now we're going to give you the rest of the software that's actually included in our partner program, and we're going to give you agency accounts on that so that you can actually sell those softwares as a core offer or as an upsell and start to actually build recurring revenue. And just a little bit, I'm going to go through and actually show you these different software so you can get a good idea of what's actually included. But you are going to get tier 5 agency accounts. So you're also going to get white labeled lead magnets. So you'll be able to actually, from those lead magnet packages of software that we gave you, you'll be able to actually white label them as your own, launch your own software, have your own brand, your own logo, and even start your own reseller partner program. We're also going to give you access to our private Facebook group. So we have our own private Facebook group where we support and help all of our actual partners, where you'll be able to actually get any support and help that you need. And you'll also be able to network with other people just like you that are leveraging SaaS software to build additional recurring revenue streams. You're also going to get access to our Discord server and private partner channels. So we have a live Discord server with private channels for our partners where you can get priority live support if you need any help or any support from our actual support team. And you're also going to get weekly live coaching and mentoring. So we do weekly live coaching and mentoring sessions to help all of our partners with anything that you need, specifically to actually help you build recurring revenue. So literally you're going to get all of this. So let me just go through the softwares that are actually included that you're going to be getting agency accounts on. You're going to get Sharply. This software is amazing. People sign up almost every day with us directly, and they pay from $97 a month to $1,000 a month for this software. You're going to get domain leads. People pay $197 a month for this software. You're going to get sticky reviews. We've sold this over and over and over again for $147 a month. You're going to get Friend Connector. This is a software literally every single day somebody signs up to the software for $127 a month. You're going to get Invoicing You, which is an invoicing platform that sells for $97 a month. You're going to get Link Wizard, which is like Bitly on steroids. It's an amazing platform. Everybody loves it. Literally, it's tracked over 10 million link clicks. And this is a software that sells for $197 a month. You're going to get Genius Pages. This is a software that is like a website and funnel builder. You're going to get RoboContact. This is a software, literally we built this software. This is a software, the very first SaaS software that we built that allowed me to actually scale my company to a multi-million-dollar company by, finding the exact types of people that were looking for our products and services and essentially contacting them in bulk. You're going to get Post Scheduler. This is a software that will actually pre-schedule all your Facebook posts to your personal Facebook profile. No other software does that. To your personal Facebook profile, help you build out an entire content schedule and content library. You're going to get Meth and Evan. This is a chatbot for your personal profile. You're going to get your Chrome extension. This is like a Google SEO hack where you'll be able to launch and deploy your own Google Chrome extensions and literally rank on the first page of Google if you actually do it right. You're going to get Magic Zap, which is it's an amazing tool for marketers that are advanced, that really actually want to fire off very specific automations when specific people are actually on their website. You're going to get access to unlimited map leads. This is a software that literally allows you to just get all the leads from Google Maps. You're going to get Group Monkey. This is the software that helps you grow, manage, and automate your Facebook groups, which are literally money holes. You're going to get access to unlimited business leads. This is another software very similar to Google Maps, but instead of pulling data from Google Maps, it pulls data from Google Places. So you can literally build lists of leads, B2B leads in seconds, and you're going to get access to Friend Disconnector, which is a software that allows you to basically sync your Facebook friends list, get rid of deactivated profiles, get rid of people who aren't actually engaging in your posts, and will actually help you boost your engagement. and organic reach on Facebook. So literally, you're going to get access to agency accounts on all of this software that you're able to actually sell to your customers individually or bundle up in packages like we just did, that you actually just signed up for, and you get to keep 100% of the revenue. We do all the customer support. So I'm just going to jump into the prices real quick so that you can actually see. We got two different price levels for you. One is going to be $397 a month, and you're going to be able to add 50 Go High level accounts. You're going to get 50 agency accounts on all of our Tier 5 software. You're going to get one white labeled lead magnet, so you can pick any one of our lead magnets from our lead magnet package, and you'll be able to actually white label any one of those that you actually want. You're also going to get the ability to make, on the low end, $3,000 a month in recurring revenue or $4,000 a year in recurring revenue. Or we have a yearly option. The yearly option, we're going to give you 100 Go High level accounts. You're going to get 3 white labeled lead magnets. You're going to get 100 agency accounts on the Tier 5 software and be able to make around $6,000 a month in recurring revenue or $8,000 a year. Literally, would you not trade $400 a month for $3,000 a month? You do that every day, right? Would you not trade $3,000 a year for $80,000 a year? You would do that every single day, right? So let me just actually refresh this. I'm literally still in the middle of actually building out this page. I haven't finished it. I'm still actually making the video here. All right. So if you take the monthly option, you're actually going to be saving huge from the normal cost of our actual partner program. If you take the yearly option, on top of those already insane savings that you're going to get, you're going to be saving an extra $1,700 a year. So if you take the yearly option, you're literally only paying $250 a month for all of this, which is crazy and insane deal. If you were to actually go to our partner program, this is how most of our actual partners sign up. So we have a whole bunch of partners in our partner program, over 100, and most of them sign up through this actual process. And if you were to actually go through this process here, you would see whenever you go through this process, we're giving you literally the exact same things. You would see that our entry level account is $497 a month, or yes, our entry level account is $497 a month. And we only give you 25 agency accounts. We don't give you any white label lead magnet, and we don't let you add your own customers to our Go High level account. So you get a lot less and you pay $100 more. And that's the price that you'll end up joining if you want to join and you don't actually take this offer. So if you don't actually take this offer, this is a one-time only offer. It is going to end. I did give you 24 hours because I realize for a lot of people, I realize for a lot of people, $400 a month it could be a big commitment, or investing $400 in yourself. A lot of people, unfortunately, they're just so scared to invest. They're so scared to invest in themselves. They're not scared to spend $400 on a TV. You yourself probably have a $400 TV in your house, don't you? You yourself probably have several things that you spent $400, $500, even $1,000 on that are not making you money. This is an opportunity for you to actually invest in yourself into something that can actually make you money. Okay, it's something that can actually build you recurring revenue, and I'm gonna show you that here in just a second. So if you don't take this offer, it's totally fine. If you want to join the partner program later, you can join it just like our normal partners do. But like I said, it's going to cost you $497 a month if you join it the normal way, which is how you're going to have to join it if you don't take this offer. Because if you don't take this offer, no questions asked. You will never be offered this again. I did give you 24 hours to figure out, hey, is this right for me? But honestly, if it takes you 24 hours to figure it out, it's not right for you. If it takes you more than the end of this video to figure out, hey, this is an amazing offer, I need this, I need recurring revenue, I want to have recurring revenue, I want experts that have actually literally built a multi-million-dollar software company from the ground up to sit there and help me and give me their knowledge and give me their expertise and give me their help and help me actually build a better life for myself. If it takes you longer than this video, I would recommend you just go ahead and skip this offer because it's not for you and you most likely would not be successful anyways. because you're already having so many doubts in yourself and doubts in everything that's probably just best that you skip. All right. But if you do skip and you decide, you know what, man, I just made the wrong decision, just keep in mind, our partner program starts at $497 a month, and we give you 25 agency accounts on our software. Or if you want to get our 100 agency accounts package, we do also offer that, but it's $10,000 a year. All right. So because this is my special membership site that's meant for a very specific reason, I'm giving you guys an amazing, insane offer here to actually help you guys build recurring revenue. I've already built a company. I've already built a company with more than 50 full-time employees that does over $1 million a year, every single year, in recurring revenue. Without, no one buys our time. We don't work for anybody. We literally do what we want when we want to at our company, because we have recurring revenue, and people literally just pay us for a username and password to be able to actually use our software, because it solves problems for them. It helps them save them time. It helps them make more money in their actual business, and they could be paying you. We want to help you get set up where they're actually paying you. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you. I'm here. I'm going to show you here on my little whiteboard. All right. So you've already came in some offer very similar to this. All right. And we're going to actually help you give you everything that you need to build something out. So we've already given you, because you already signed up for our first offer, which you made a great decision there. You already signed up for our first offer. So we've already given you many software assets that you can essentially use as a lead magnet to get a lead into your actual funnel and deliver them value, and to get them to opt in and give you your contact information, where now you own that lead and you can continuously, communicate with that lead, provide them more value, market to them, and tell them about your other products and services that you offer so that you can actually make more money. All right, so we've already given you that. We've also given you, inside that same lead magnet, several products that you can use on the front end for low cost to get people to go ahead and actually become a buyer. Now, after those people become a buyer, then you want to upsell them something. You want to upsell them something, and you want to actually get them paying you a monthly fee every single month. And you want to be able to actually build that recurring revenue. So that's what we're doing now. We're giving you something to actually stick here, where you can actually create offers where people are going to pay you $47 a month, or $57 a month, or $67 a month, or $97 a month, or $150 a month, or $200 a month, or $300 a month. Literally, we have paying customers right now that pay $1,000 a month just for a username and password on our software. And that's what we're giving you the actual ability to do here. All right. So that's what we're actually giving you the ability to do here. So what I want to actually show you, though, what I want to actually show you is, you kind of went through this funnel right here, where this is kind of like a tripwire, where it's a low ticket. So it's a low ticket, and then after this, we actually upsold you, and we gave you two options. I think $67 a month or $499 a year. All right. So now I want to actually show you your options, where we're giving you two options where you can pay $397 a month or $2,997 a year. All right. So we're giving you 50 accounts. And here we're giving you 100 accounts. All right. So I just want to actually kind of show you the math so that you can actually figure out, okay, hey, where am I getting these numbers from where you can make $40,000 a year? You literally give us $400 a month, and we give you back the ability to go in and actually make over $3,000 a month. Almost a 10x return on your investment. Where else are you getting that? You're getting that at your bank. Where else are you getting a 10x return on your investment? Or we give you the opportunity to give us $3,000, which may seem like a huge investment right now. But at the end of 12 months, if we had helped you make even $6,000 and double your money, would it seem you'd love to do that again, right? If you handed me $3,000 and I gave you $6,000 back, you'd love that, right? You would just continuously hand me that $3,000.
You'd give me $3,000, I give you $6,000 back, what would you do? You'd probably give me that $6,000 back so I could give you 12, right? And when I gave you that 12, you'd probably give that back to me so I could give you 24, right? Logical. So we give you the opportunity for your $3,000 to make an extra $80,000 a year. That's literally a full-time income. That will literally pay for your house payment, your car payment. That you can, in the United States, the median household income is less than $80,000 a year for an entire family. So it's literally a full-time income that you can live moderately on, and you can grow from there. It's not that you can actually make more. I'm trying to be very modest and conservative with these actual numbers. So we're going to actually show you, let's say somebody is actually paying you $67. Let's say somebody's actually paying you $67 a month. That turns out to $3,350 a month, or $40,200 a year. And this is just if you do the exact same offer that I've just actually done here, which is a crazy offer. It's a crazy, insane offer that you don't have to do. We have so many of our partners that actually sell our software for so much more. We also sell the same software, believe it or not. We actually sell the same software for so much more, and people actually buy it. Like literally people Google Chirply and sign up directly from our website and sign up for a $300 a month package or a $1,000 a month package directly from our website, and they never find this offer. All right. So with this $499, this is $24,950 a year. Just showing you your revenue potential here. If you were just to literally recreate the exact same funnel that I recreate, just go high level, people literally sell for $300 a month as well. Okay, so 67 times 100, this is $6,700 a month. That works out to $80,400 a year. Or if you do the 499 times 100, that's 49900 a year. So let's say you took this $3,000 a year option. You decide, okay, hey, let me invest in myself. I want to build up recurring revenue. I want to have people who are paying me for usernames and passwords, and while I'm out with my wife and my kids and we're walking through the park and we're enjoying it, or while I'm playing video games, or while I'm doing whatever it is that I really love to do and I would rather be doing than selling my time, but I have to sell my time because I need money to actually eat. While I'm actually enjoying myself, I'm getting paid. We have partners literally who thank me every single day. They message me all the time and say, John, I was hanging out with my kid at his baseball game today and I'm getting strike notifications. Another customer paid, a new customer just signed up. That's what we want to actually help you build. That's what we built for ourselves. That's what we've helped so many of our actual partners build. And that's what we actually want to help you build. Imagine not having to sell your time for money. Imagine literally being able to offer a username and password and somebody pay you. I mean, just the numbers that I'm showing you here, just imagine that. Imagine you're making an extra $3,000 a month. You're just making an extra $3,000 a month, but you don't have to sell any of your time for that. Or you're making $80,000 a year and you don't actually have you don't have to sell any of your time for that. How amazing would that be? I know it's amazing because literally our whole company works like this now. When I first started our company, we were a service-based company. We sold our time for money and it was miserable. Literally what we did. We sold our time for money. It was miserable. And we switched models and we got into the actual SaaS model. And literally now we have days where I shut the entire company down and we go play cricket and eat ice cream and we still all get paid. We don't have any clients saying, hey, are you guys doing my work? Are you guys doing my work? I need my project done. I need all my stuff done, because we don't sell our time to anybody. We own our own time now. Isn't that amazing? Wouldn't you love that? That's literally what we want to actually help you create in our partner program. Our normal partner program that I'm telling you, this program we started over 3 years ago. We know what we're doing. We've done this for 3 years. We've literally helped over 100 people in this model. All right, it's actually over 300 people that we've helped, but I like to actually keep my numbers conservative. And what I'm showing you here in the revenue is conservative. Like I said, Friend Connector alone, people sign up to our website every single day for $127 a month. If you sell 100 accounts at $127 a month, just for Friend Connector, one single software, that is $12,700 a month, or $152,400 a year. Now, and if you're thinking, John, well, I have no idea how to get customers. Great, you should sign up for our program because we give you, remember, we give you literally coaching and mentoring every single week. This is live coaching where we sit down and help you. Now, if you're thinking, John, I have no clue how to do this. I don't know how to sell software. I don't know how to sell stuff. I don't know how to market stuff. Don't you think it's worth, don't you, then in that situation, if all I did was actually help you learn that, if all I did was actually help you get the confidence, get the skills to actually be able to sell something, to be able to go out, find a lead, and get them to buy something from you, and get so skilled and so confident that you knew without a shadow of a doubt that you could go out and get another customer to pay you more money, wouldn't that be worth it? And if you're thinking, well, John, I already know how to do that. I already know how to sell stuff. I already know how to market. I already know how to sell stuff. Well, great. Then you can see that this is a no-brainer offer for you, because now you have literally in demand, very valuable software that people are more than happy to actually pay you a monthly fee for the username and password. You don't have to give them any of your time. Now, we have several partners that also add their time in, and they have their own coaching programs, and they make a lot more money. They sell their time they sell the tools as a front end. So they'll sell the tools as the front end for $97 or $297 a month, something like that. And that is just the lead in, that is just the front end offer for their high ticket coaching programs, and it works great for them. All right. So I've explained everything to you. What all is in the actual offer? I've put in so much value here for you. I've given you a massive discount. Again, like I said, if you don't take this offer right now and you decide, okay, hey, tomorrow I'm going to take it, or I'm going to join the partner program next month when I'm actually ready, just remember it's going to cost you $497 a month. You're not going to get 50 Go High Level accounts. You're not going to get 50 agency accounts. You're only going to get 25. You're not going to get any white label lead magnet. So you're going to get a lot less and pay $100 a month more. And if you want to take our yearly option to get 100 Tier 5 agency accounts, you're still not going to get any Go High Level accounts. You're still not going to get any white labels, and it's going to cost you $10K a year instead of $3K a year. All right. So if you're ready for a change, and you want to actually build up recurring revenue, or maybe you already have recurring revenue, maybe you already have recurring revenue, and you want to build up more. If that's you, then I would really consider taking this offer, because it's an amazing offer. And like I said, it will never be offered to you again. When this timer counts down, when this timer ends, this page will actually redirect. You'll never be able to access it again, and you'll never actually get this offer again. It is truly an amazing offer that we have actually created for you to help you build recurring revenue and literally live the life that you want and get paid for just selling a username and password. You keep 100% of the revenue. You charge what you want. We do have minimum advertised pricing that we actually give you, but you can literally go in and create an offer just like the one that you came through, so you know this works. Literally, you have just came through this offer. Now imagine, even though it's only $67 a month, imagine you get 100 people paying you $67 a month for software you didn't have to create, software that you don't have to maintain, software that you don't actually have to support, because we do all of that for you. You got $6,700 in your pocket. And what did you have to pay me? You have an extra $80,000 a year. all for a $3,000 a year investment in yourself. And you literally, not to mention, you have an entire community of people there to help you get access to our entire community. That alone is worth the price of admission. And you literally get a pair of multi-million-dollar real business owners. We're not online coach gurus, okay? I'm not going to bullshit you. We're not some online mindset, don't really know what we're doing coaches. We're literally real entrepreneurs and real business owners that have built a real business for the last 7 years. We have over 50 full-time employees on staff, and we've literally done multiple millions of dollars in revenue for our company, and we're there to actually help you every day. And that's worth way more than the price of this partner program. So anyways, I've explained everything. I've explained everything that's in the offer to you. Now it's 100% up to you whether you want to take the offer or whether you want to click the button that says, no, thanks, I don't want this. I'm going to pass on recurring revenue, or I'll get it on my own, or whatever your reason is. But if I were you, I would click this yearly option. That's your best option. If I were you, I would take that investment in myself and decide that today is going to be the day that I change my life forever. That's what I would do if I were you.
I sense you're considering the Tier 5 partnership.
An absolute no-brainer for me, and I joined immediately without any second thoughts.
This partnership literally has changed my life.
The software that they have is absolutely incredible.
It allows me to make more sales.
I love Tier 5, community-owned software company in John Vaughn.
Hey, I'm Andrew Purdom. I'm a Tier 5 partner, and if you don't know what the Tier 5 partnership is, it's a group of software developers, marketers, web developers, and people who understand how to sell software coming together to sell some of the world's best B2B software.
I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I'm a partner in the Tier 5 community.
When he presented the Tier 5 partnership opportunity, it was an absolute no-brainer for me, and I joined immediately without any second thoughts, without any hesitation.
Tier 5 partnership is one of the best options for marketers at the moment.
The real benefit of it to me is that it allows me to make more sales without having to bring on more people, because I can duplicate some of the tasks much more easily than I could before.
And when I became a Tier 5 partner, I was able to start selling that and a lot of other software to other businesses I actually started.
I've been very excited and very happy about this program.
A couple of years ago, I partnered with him to sell some of his software. I was like 16 years old, and I made a ton of money. I was probably, for a 16-year-old, I was pulling in maybe like $2,500 a month without doing anything.
You are backed by a world-class engineering team, right? John and Ankita has done everything they can and has built this company completely from scratch.
Now, I've actually joined Tier 5, and I'm so excited because the software that they have is absolutely incredible.
Like, there's so much software in there that you could literally put your business on autopilot.
I just want to give a super shout out and blessing to the Tier 5 Elite Partner Program. And the reason why is because this program allowed me to actually step my game up, you know, and to be able to start offering quality. And when I say quality, I mean quality, you know, softwares to the community. You know, and by me being an influencer, I mean, it was just a no-brainer for me to bring this out to the masses and then take my game and level to the next level. You know what I mean?
The amount of value that you get for such a small price point is a no-brainer.
I first heard about the Tier 5 partnership from John Vaughn. I kind of watched his videos, see how he interacts with different people. And I can tell you, he is as raw as you could get as a person. He's honest, he's brutally honest, and that's kind of why I like him and why I kind of choose to be partners with him.
John and his amazing team of software engineers are developing. They have already created a collection of applications that pretty much are in direct competition with every major application out there that is already showing a huge change in the market. And thanks to John and his team, we're getting the best of the best.
So the Tier 5 partnership is a great asset for anyone online.
I looked at all the softwares, see what each one of them did, start messing around with them, and I'm just like, this is pretty powerful. This could be a good platform or a good piece of software to help me with my marketing efforts.
Now, there's several little softwares. I call them little, but they're actually really big in what they do. The first one is actually Link Wizard, and that one is phenomenal. It allows you to take your links and actually shorten them. You can create a rotation of links. If you have a team of people and you want to share leads, you can do that through Link Wizard.
The Tier 5 partnership is an opportunity to be a part of a software as a service company, and also the opportunity to actually sell that software, resell it, or maybe even give it away for free.
This is a must. This is a must for anyone who's got a business right now and who wants to grow. John is one of the best developers in the world right now, and I'm so happy, glad, and grateful that I'm on this team right now, and I can't wait to meet the rest of the team members and continue this journey of growth, because I want to grow my business as well. I want to grow more revenue, and I want to help more people because I'm a personal trainer, and I have a personal training business called Evolution Health and Fitness.
I'm a partner, and the reason why I became a partner was because I was in John Vaughn's Facebook groups, and I just saw his passion and his technical knowledge. And he may not be a marketer, but he's a really good software engineer, and he explains things, and that's what draws people to him. And when he presented the idea of the partnership for Tier 5, I knew I had to partner with him and become a part of something bigger. And what I love about it is that you have the community and the resources, and everyone works together, and they want to see this company grow. They want to help other people grow their business and do good in the world. And I just see this as a software global domination coming in the future.
To really excel and go farther than they ever were with a couple clicks of the mouse. And there's anywhere from creating lead lists with RoboContact, getting in contact with customers through text and bulk. There's also use Link Wizard, which is a magic link generator that allows you to track all your marketing needs. As a business owner, you would like to know where your traffic comes from. You also have available to Invoicing You, which is a dynamic invoicing platform that really connects you to your customers on a far deeper level. And there's Magic Zap, which John has blessed us with unlimited access to, being a part of the Tier 5 community.
I've got the Tier 5 software running automations right now for me. And what they're doing is, like, if it's your birthday today and you're on my friends list, well, guess what? You're going to actually get a happy birthday from me. And then if you respond back to me, there's going to be some software that is called Meffin Evan, and it will automatically message back to you. So I can concentrate on my job, and also the software is running for my business all day long.
I've been using Friend Connector for some months now. And essentially what Friend Connector allows me to do is add buyer leads on autopilot on Facebook so that I can become friends with my clients. And I've been adding about 50 new friends a day, all on autopilot. And it's been an absolute game changer for me and my business in terms of connecting with fresh leads every single day without even having to lift a finger.
This partnership literally has changed my life. As you already know, this is my full-time thing. It's been my full-time thing for several years now. I did the Tier 5 partnership and sold software.
It would not surprise me at all if we hit 10 billion with a B as in boy in a couple of years with the whole model that he's got. And I'm almost hesitant to say that because, sometimes it's one of those things. It's so hard to believe how great this company is that you almost might as well not talk about it and I almost see it as my fate or somebody else's destiny or fate to even come across John.
If you come across this program and you're on the fence of thinking about joining, don't think about it. Dive in. You know what I mean? So, again, thank you, John Vaughn. Thank you for coming up with this excellent program. And let's keep growing.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a program that will help you make money online, help out your community, this is the team to do so. John and Ankita really care about your success. If you're willing to put in the work, right? They're not going to do the work for you. They're not going to do everything for you. They're not going to hold you by the hand and make sure that you're getting shit done. That's not what they're going to do. But they will guide you. They will give you the proper tools that you need to be successful if you're willing to get your ass up and do the work.
And I joined the Tier 5 partner program, and oh my goodness. Like, anything that I've been doing manually or hiring someone to do on my organic marketing plan has now been automated. Okay, so not only that, not only is this amazing software that can automate my entire life and business and save me money.
I came across Tier 5 back when I was looking for some call tracking software to be able to track. I had one of my clients that was looking to be able to track their calls coming in and have them recorded, and then being able to train the people with the recordings of the calls for customer service, and being able to make sure they had quality, quality assurance. And so and it was an insurance company, and they loved the software. It's called Chirply. And I got in touch with Tier 5 and then became a partner with them to be able to have that software for myself and for my clients. And then it just kind of grew from there.
La verdad es que llevo como socio, como partner suyo, 1 año y medio alrededor, y una maravilla. El programa es una maravilla. Desde el primer día te sientes como en casa. Todos los viernes tienes un Zoom grupal con toda la comunidad.
Their software solution and partnership program has been an absolute game changer for my business. Joining the partnership program and working with the white label program that they have has done a number of things, including help us get better, faster client results, help us build our business with a monthly recurring revenue stream, and create an ascension ladder into our high ticket program and allow us to sell it consistently and easily.
I am a proud Tier 5 partner, and let me tell you why. So first of all, my journey with Tier 5 began actually a couple years ago. I signed up for a software, and they gave Tier 5 tools as a bonus. So I was definitely a proud user. My 2 favorite are Friend Connector Pro and Chirply.
I joined John's partnership program, and thanks to the software that the Tier 5 company builds.
Tier 5 and John Vaughn is a great team. They solve the problem. Once Facebook interface have some changing, then they change their software to meet the interface of Facebook. So use this software has no worry.
I definitely recommend that you look into that. As far as the biggest benefit of being a Tier 5 partner, I would say, is the people that I connect with.
And just in one day, guys, I covered the payment for my brand new 2022 Volkswagen Jetta, all right? That was my plan to do that, but it was funny. I was going to the dealership that day to pick up the car, and I looked at what my payment was for, the finance plan, and it was the exact same number that I had generated selling the software in that one day on recurring, so it's monthly recurring revenue. And since then, it's gone up. So, John, really appreciate it, man. Thanks for the new car. It means a lot. And I'm going to go whip this baby. Peace.